Ap4 menu. Today's recipe is a creamy and delicious restaurant style corn kurma. It is an absolute yummy recipe that brings out the exact restaurant flavors into your kitchen. Let's get started and check out the recipe. In a pan, add 2 spoons oil. Once the oil is nice hot, add in 1 spoon Cumim Seeds, 1 bay leaf, 1 small cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, 1 green cardamom, 1 star anise, black stone flower, and give it a nice mix. Along with it, add 1 cup onion roughly chopped and saute it till the onion turns transparent. Add in required amount of salt and give it a nice mix. Once the onion turns transparent, add in 1 spoon ginger garlic paste and saute till its raw smell goes off. Add 1 cup tomato and give it a nice mix. Cover and cook until the tomatoes become nice soft. Once the tomatoes are nice mashy, turn off the stove and allow it to cool. Transfer it to a mixer jar and add some 8 to 10 cashew nuts and grind it to a smooth paste. Do not add any water while you grind the masala paste. In a pan, add 2 spoons oil. Once the oil is nice hot, add in the ground onion and tomato paste and saute it until oil oozes out from it. Let's start to add the masala powders. Half spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon chilli powder, 2 spoons coriander powder, and give it a nice mix. Add in 1 cup corn pulse and mix well. I have pressure cooked the corn for about 3 whistles and added. You can directly add it to the kurma and cook it along with the masala too. But to make the process quick, I have pressure cooked the corn beforehand. Add in the required amount of water and adjust the consistency of the kurma. Cover and cook for about 5 minutes so that the masala incorporates well into corn. See, after 5 minutes, the oil oozes out from the kurma and it is perfectly cooked. Now, add in half spoon Garam Masala and give it a nice mix. Finally, add 3 spoons of fresh cream to the gravy. This fresh cream enhances the flavors of corn kurma with a creamy texture and brings out the exact restaurant style with perfect flavors. This cream is optional. If you want, you can add, otherwise you can skip it too. I have just added to bring the exact restaurant style. This corn kurma goes well with chapathi, paratas, roti, naan or dosa. Do try this recipe and enjoy with your friends and family. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for our latest updates. Thank you.